Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I will show you how to group Chrome tabs by domain or subdomain using Tab Organizer extension. Once you have installed the extension, open the extension pop-up and click on the cog icon to open the Options page. This is the page where all the extension configurations live. Navigate to the Settings tab, and here you will see Tab Grouping Settings. Group by domain or subdomain option is available in the free plan and is enabled by default. You can choose either domain or subdomain option. Let's see how grouping by domain works. For the demo purpose, I will open several tabs with different websites. Let's assume I'm crazy about online shopping, so I will open different online marketplaces. You see lots of tabs open, and let's demonstrate how extension can group them in one click. I open the extension pop-up and click on the Group button. Now you can see that all the tabs, Amazon, eBay, Walmart, have been grouped into separate tab groups. For now, I will remove them. And let's see how grouping by subdomain works. I will open the tabs with the Google products. So here I have Google Drive, Google Sheets, and Google Calendar. You can notice that each of the web page has the subdomain part. Here is the Drive, here is the Calendar, here is the Docs. So in order to group these tabs by subdomain, I need to navigate to the tab grouping settings and select subdomain here. After that, if I click Group button, we see that these tabs have been grouped by subdomain, and now we have Calendar tabs, Docs tabs, and Google Drive tabs split into separate groups as expected. Also, I would like to demonstrate you one more thing. Let's clean the tabs first. So, if I open just 3 tabs with different websites like Amazon, eBay, and Walmart, and click the Group button, as you can see, they are not grouped, and this is because the option Group Single Tabs is disabled. If you want to group the single tabs into separate groups, you would just need to enable this option, and let's see what will happen. Those tabs are grouped into separate groups as expected. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and thanks for watching.